So, good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you. I see quite a few known faces, so it's very good to connect, especially after the lockdown. And it gives me great honor and pleasure to welcome you to this session with Mr. Ashok Grover, who's a very seasoned person in the industry and a senior coach. I have personally learned a lot from my interactions with him, and I really look forward to this session and learning much more. So, very warm welcome, firstly, to the speaker of the day, Mr. Ashok Grover. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thanks a lot.
Right. So, for those who don't know about Mr. Grover much, it's my pleasure. I'll just take a couple of minutes to read out about his profile, and let me tell you, this is a very brief profile. If you're interested, happy to share more details. So, Mr. Ashok Grover, he's an engineer and an MBA and a certified coach, and with a professional journey of 51 years. Wow, that number in itself sounds so momentous. Out of which 38 years have been in the manufacturing and the corporate sector, and 13 years in consulting. And he has been working to help business organizations and professionals improve their performance. Our interaction started when we've been working together on various assessment and development centers. Um, he's also done balanced scorecards. So he's been working under a lot of areas of work, starting with assessment development centers, जहाँ हमने काफी काम साथ में किया और सीखा है सर से. He's worked on balanced scorecard trainings and of late into coaching. So, and that's what we are going to be talking a lot about today. So I'm really looking forward to this session. Uh, with 38 years of experience in manufacturing and corporate, he brings in a lot to the table. And why we are here today is because during his coaching experiences, he has also written a lot of articles and published on a number of platforms. And his latest recent creation has been a book, which is a self-help book, which is called as Take Charge of Your Life, Smart DIY Workbook. So this DIY do-it-yourself concept is very intriguing when you look at it from a coaching perspective, and I'm really looking forward to understand this more and hope it adds value to all of you as well. So, welcome so much to the session once again. And Ashok Grover, sir, heartiest congratulations on bringing out this revisited version of Take Charge of Your Life. And we're looking forward to hearing from you about it.
Thank you, Pooja. Thanks. It will be a pleasure indeed.
So, thank you. So, Ashok, sir, the first question obviously is where did this idea or inspiration for this book, Taking Charge of Your Life, come from?
Okay. See, actually, there are a couple of things I would like to share. One, when we give feedback to the participants or during coaching, so we very often we recommend some books to be read.
Right.
And then the result of it. Mostly the result what we talk about is, okay, by this date you finish the book and that's finished. Okay, done. But is that enough? What was the purpose? So some of my colleagues, they recommend that at the end of it, you prepare some summary of it, circulate it with your people to your people, or maybe you make a presentation to them. Certainly,
Right.
it adds to learning, no doubt about it. Because once you have read it, then you make some summary, you think about it, then you share with participants, then you discuss among yourselves. So learning goes up. But where does it go? It adds to your knowledge inventory. And inventory, you can say it is an asset, but if it is dead inventory, it is a cost. Dead inventory can never add to any value.
True.
So often I tell by people, and that's what I tell them to make the result as such, that after you have read the book, there should be at least one implementable idea, and you implement that, then you will learn something.
Correct.
That was one part. So I just thought of that when I say that after reading the book, you get at least one workable idea, and then
Hmm.
I have some ideas. So why not put them together and give them lot many ideas where there's not reading much, but doing a lot. So that was
Okay.
one.
Hmm.
Then I also meet many people who say, "Sir, please tell us what to do. I can't read a book. Cover देख के नींद आने लगती है. Please don't tell me to read, but then give me some idea so I can work on it." So for those both kind of people who are love reading, for them the message to yes, learn doing also. And for those who don't love reading, yes, then there's ready-made something available, so start working on it. So that was the basic idea, that I thought that why not give them a platform where they can they are straight away on the job. So that was.
So that's wonderful, which is the practical aspect, and that is what we keep discussing even when we are doing our development centers. And we keep telling participants, we give them a list of books, choose from here, and you need to read a book, etc. So this sounds like a wonderful idea. Do it yourself, and secondly, a workbook. So it is work actually. Have I understood that correctly, sir?
Exactly.
Great, great. So, when you actually thought of this book and you started working on this, right? Uh, in fact, you had also shared with us an earlier version, if we can call it version zero,
Yeah.
and which was really good. So, why this new version, the updated version? I mean, what was that thought behind it?
Okay. See, basically, excellence has no finishing line. There is always scope of improvement. But here, I'll tell you what exactly was the difference.
Sure.
First, in this workbook, I had all 52 weeks in a row, and then some articles at the end of it as an extra.
Uh-huh.
So what is the message? That skipping the articles, skipping the reading was the default. And you had a choice to go to the articles and read. I thought that was not the right approach. I brought them together where the ideas are, where the tips are. So
Right.
reading is the by default, reading is by default, and skipping is always an option. So I changed the
Right.
default so that it is here. Now it was, especially if you want, you go to the towards end of the book and then read and then come back. Rather, it is here, read it. But if you don't want, skip. No doubt about it. No problem in that.
Wonderful.
So that was
Wonderful.
one.
I think that makes a lot of sense. Yes.
And then, of course, when I brought them, then of course there was a little bit changes in the articles. I updated those also. But the basic
Uh-huh.
tips, 52 tips, there's absolutely no change in that. Those
Okay.
remain what they were. They remain the same.
Right. Wonderful. So, why we would be really excited to hear from you at least one or two of those tips from the book, not to take away the entire essence and give it away here, but if you could share one or two of them for our audience today.
Before that, I'll tell you the couple of more changes in the
Sure,
book.
please.
One was, of course, that idea came after I was talking to you. When you saw the book, if you remember, you said, uh, that is fine. You have given so many tips, but who will review it? I said, you will review it. I said, yeah, DIY. But then that gave me an idea. Of course, the reader will review it, but
Yes.
why not give a space for that? So I added for this quarterly 4 sections where there's a review section also. Now, whatever you have done in these 13 weeks, what do you think about it? Some review about your own activities and then go ahead. That is another change I
Wonderful.
made. And the third change, which is not in the book, but beyond book. One of the tips
Uh-huh.
says that you collaborate with someone, team with someone, and do the mutual learning. And
Uh-huh.
that's why I suggest to these companies also that if they distribute this book amongst their employees, so they can make a
Mm-hmm.
group of 2 or 3 people each. So that learning becomes faster and
Right.
action gets stronger. But everybody may not have that opportunity. So an idea came, why not give them a platform? So I have made a group on LinkedIn where people
Okay.
can join, share their learning, share their ideas, ask if they have any problems, and learn from each other. And of course, I'll always be there to pitch in wherever required. So that is another platform. This is a platform beyond the book, but I have given that link in the book itself. So whosoever wants,
Wow.
they can. So these are the changes. Now,
Wow.
coming to just, I'll share with you this. We talked about a couple of tips.
या सो
Very
एक तो
simple.
आपने शेयर कर ही दिए सर, एक तो आपने इम्प्लीमेंट भी किया, कोलैबोरेट फॉर लर्निंग, राइट? सो दैट्स अ
Yeah.
वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव.
Hmm. Another very simple tip. Very simple.
Sure.
Uh, Not many know that when you're walking, if you walk a little faster, it adds to your confidence. So
Okay.
if you can walk at an increased speed of maybe 25% more, 20-25% more, you will feel the difference yourself. You feel more confident and
Mm-hmm.
high. So just by saying it, it's one thing. But when you
Mm-hmm.
take this tip as in a workbook, in a project-like manner, and you actually consciously do it, then you can feel the difference, right? Of course, not now, but you can try it and
Sure,
see for
sure.
yourself.
But that sounds like so practical and doable. So at times, कई बार क्या होता है कोचिंग में लोग ना कहते हैं कि सुनने में बहुत अच्छी लगती है चीजें जो आप लोग बताते हो, लेकिन करने में ना प्रैक्टिकली कई बार लगता है कि इज इट पॉसिबल और नॉट, and this I think if something like this just increase your speed of walk, uh, makes it sound so practical.
Yeah. Uh, One more I tell you that is a little more challenging.
Okay.
That tip says that you decide for 24 hours for one day, you will not criticize anyone or anything.
Okay.
It may sound very simple. It's not that. It's quite tough,
Hmm.
but still doable. Now, there may be some people, there are all kind of people. There may be some people who say, yes, I can do it. Absolutely no problem. And they can perhaps do it. Okay. Make it more challenging. For 24 hours, you don't even think about criticizing or anything. No bad thoughts in your mind. Now, there's a real challenge because physically you can stop yourself, but to stop your mind from wandering here and there and criticizing and
Absolutely.
being negative, that's a real challenge.
Wow. That absolutely. Now I'm thinking of it, as you're talking, and it is difficult because I think every moment you are thinking and कभी ना कभी तो मतलब 1 घंटे के अंदर सर हो ही जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो नेगेटिव नजर आ जाएगा ना कहीं ना कहीं.
You want more tips?
Sir, I would
Okay.
love. I'm sure the audience
One,
is also waiting to hear. Yeah.
one more. There's an age-old technique. We say that when we want to improve our communication, we say
Uh-huh.
practice before the mirror
Yeah.
and find it useful. Now, perhaps it was okay till a few years ago when there was no other option. Today, I have a better option because there is a big drawback in this technique. When you are practicing before the mirror, so you are performing two roles, one of the performer and another of assessor. You are performing and you are assessing yourself. It is challenging.
Correct.
Today, things are much easier. Everybody has a smartphone.
Right.
So, what you can do, perform as you would like to perform before the mirror and just record it. Don't evaluate yourself. Just record, just perform. After recording, come out of this role. Now you become evaluator. Run that video, see yourself, and look how this person is behaving.
Wow.
Whether he's talking flat, there's so much body movement, or there's no pitch in the voice, or whatever. Now make a note of it. I mean, you can always discuss with your other colleagues also, other friends also, but you can do it yourself as well. Make a note of it, try to improve. After a week, record it again. Another week, record it again. Now, once you see the recording of today and after 6 weeks, you will see the difference yourself.
Absolutely. That's so wonderful and so practical again. सर मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि आपने मेरे मन की बात पढ़ ली थी और उसका एक टिप दे दी बिकॉज दिस इज टाइम एंड अगेन कम्युनिकेशन को लेकर स्पेशली बिकॉज आई वर्क विद स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो अ लॉट तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आता है कि मैम मिरर के सामने खड़े होके नहीं हो पाता है यू नो so I guess this is such a wonderful tip. I'm going to use it, sir, for sure.
Good.
तो सर एक बात बताइए आपकी किताब हम कहाँ से ले सकते हैं where is this book available for all the audience also I'm sure they are finding the session very engaging. Thank you Mr. Adhikari for your compliments. Where can they pick it up from?
See, it's available on all platforms of Amazon. I think Sanjay can share the link on the chat. Amazon.com and Amazon, in both links he can share. But it's available on this other platform also, Japan, Singapore, UK, everywhere. So it's all available on. And of course, maybe in future I'll make it available on my website also. But at present, it is available on Amazon. It's published by Notion Press, so it's available. But Amazon, everybody knows, and those links will be shared in the chat.
Wonderful. Many congratulations, sir. I'm sure this book is going to do very well. It's going to be such a useful tool for so many people. And I'm sure you're going to get great reviews. Many best wishes to you for that. So moving ahead, sir, what next plans about writing? Coaching to khair chalti rahegi. I know that. That's now, you know, one side of you completely. I mean, जब आप बात करते हैं तो वो coach नजर आ जाता है. What about writing? What next? Any other plans on that?
Pooja, to be very frank, this was not my first book on my platter. Actually, I started writing, and that is almost 80-90% complete. A book on HR or people, I would say. And I had thought of doing something like build your business through people, that kind of thing. But this book came first. Then there are a couple of self-development books also, but those also will be coming later. Currently, I am working on another little different thing. It's this kind of book on management jargon, where I'm writing 100 words on each term, 100 words. Definition, maybe a couple of lines, may not be enough, maybe just a bland definition. Books, you can read on each and every topic, there are plenty of books. But I say in between, I'm writing just 100 words, exactly 100 words on each term. So the first one will have letters, this term starting from letter A to C, and then go on. And there'll be, of course, there are going to be 5 volumes.
Okay.
So this first volume, of course, maybe they are available in maybe another week or 10 days.
Oh, wow. So it's almost on the way.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's wonderful. We're really looking forward to that, sir. Thank you so much. There are a lot of compliments coming in, if you can see the chat. So thank you for that. And if I can just quickly open the floor, if there are any questions from our audience who's joined us. If anybody has a question, you can unmute yourself, please, and feel free to come in. I'm sure Mr. Grover will be happy to answer them. Anybody?
And in the meantime,
Yes,
Sanjay
please.
can share that my author page link also, which is of course on Amazon.com. But then whatever more I write, whatever further developments are there, that will be available on that. Yeah.
Sure, sure. So while somebody else thinks of a question probably and comes in, I have one more question to ask from you, sir. So you've coached so many people. 51 years is a huge experience of working with people, right? Uh, what are your one or two biggest insights about human behavior which you feel are very pertinent in the current scenario and which we all should kind of work on?
See, uh, positive thinking is the, I would say, bottom line of everything, whatever we do. If we keep our thinking positive, you can make wonders. Okay, till the questions come, I can share another interesting incident. The power of
Sure.
positive thinking. See, long back, when I came to Delhi from Lucknow, so Lucknow, you know, we have a very easy going style. Chalta
Right,
hai, chal rahi hai, kat rahi hai, that kind of things.
right.
Yeah, I met a friend. Some of my colleagues must be knowing him, Mr. Sunil Baba. He was running a
Uh-huh.
placement agency. Whenever you speak to him, Baba साहब कैसे हैं? Oh, enjoying साहब, life is good. Oh, बोल हाँ मस्ती है, मौज है. And if you ask me, कट रही है, चल रहा है, गुजर रही है. I mean, that was a normal thing. One day it just struck to my mind that what Marsha Goldsmith says, trigger. So that trigger came. I said, yeah, there's something wrong somewhere. This person is always enjoying, और यहाँ हमेशा कट रही है. What's the issue? So I just one day I decided, and I started saying the same manner. Oh, I'm enjoying life. Oh, I'm very happy. And actually, I was not enjoying. I was really, really frustrated. I was not enjoying, but I started saying that. That time I was not knowing about this positive affirmations. I was not aware of that.
Uh-huh.
But when I started saying that, over a period of time, I don't know when I started enjoying. And that day until date, I'm just enjoying. Just happy.
सर वो तो आपसे हम बिल्कुल जरूर देखते हैं और सीखते हैं. When we walk into your room, when we're working together, it's always a happy smile on the face, and all well, everything is fine and wonderful. And I completely agree with you. So the positive affirmations give you that positive lift. I completely agree with you on that.
Just one thought struck me. I just want to ask: when you were writing this book, or when you published this
Please.
book, you had some sort of a target audience in mind. Who is the right person who can make use of these books?
Yes, as I said, that particularly those people who don't want to read, who are not comfortable reading, but at the same time, all this younger generation who for that matter, once I suggested a book to a person, and he says that I have. Okay, I gave him the list. Did this one? Yeah, this also I have. I said, you have read all these books? No, I have not read. I have. I mean, are you trying to make a library or what? So the people who really want to work, especially younger generation, but I would say anybody who has a fire in the belly, who wants to do something. So that there may be some inclusions from the younger generation, and there may be some inclusions from the older generation.
Sure. Sure.
Alter means at least young at heart, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Wonderful.
there's
Amazing.
another small query which has come in the chat. I understand that
Please.
there are multiple books of the similar names. So how can one differentiate between this book and some similar sounding books of the same name?
I don't know about other books, but maybe those are the books.
Okay.
This is the workbook. And I don't think there's any other workbook.
Workbook. Okay, so we need to.
Right. So I think when you search, look for Ashok Grover DIY workbook. I think those are important words to look for.
That's right. If you just put take charge of your life, there may be more books. But the moment you
Correct.
add my name or smart DIY
Yes.
workbook, then
Yes. Yes. Thank you for clarifying that. I think that will be useful. Right. So I think the audience is thoroughly enjoying, and a lot of people have actually come in and joined us on this Saturday evening. Yes, Sanjay sir, anything else from you?
I'm just talking to the audience. There's a facility one can unmute himself and speak about it.
Correct. We have a couple of more minutes.
Yeah, so we have that. So the facility is there. One can unmute himself and.
Correct.
Yeah. Good evening,
Can I
everybody.
ask a question, please?
Yes, please, ma'am. Please come in.
Sorry, I interrupted someone.
No, not at all. I think you can come in. We'll get back to the other gentleman.
Okay. So, sir, my question to you is that we recommend certain books in our IDP resources. And so if I were to refer this book in an IDP resource, does it cover certain competencies? Or, and I also wanted to know that is it recommended for a certain level? If I have to take that decision, that is what I wanted to know from you.
see, as far as level is concerned, of course, as I said earlier, that whosoever is interested in the personal development, this age doesn't matter. Because yes, I know the people of, I mean, you must be reading the newspapers also. Person at the age of 80, 90 going for PhD, going for school, and person at the 40 taking retirement. So that is a personal choice. So there's absolutely no issue on that. But as far as competency are concerned, so no particular competency as such, but for that matter, as I say, shared with you one tip regarding communication. So that competency is covered in it. If you talk of leadership development, that is covered in it. If I can say it can serve not many competencies as far as behavioral competencies are concerned.
So can I rephrase my question? So by level, I mean that can I recommend it for a field officer or can I recommend for a regional business manager level? So one that. Second, is it what do you think the inclination of the book is it towards the social arena or the professional area of the person?
I would say both. Because
Okay,
see, when you talk of these across competencies, so these are the competencies which you use in both in social arena as well as professional arena. And in fact, if I say, because there are 52 tips, if you list down the competencies, so some competency or the other will be covered somewhere or some place or some other place. So, of course, you can recommend it for field officers and this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. Anybody else? Yes.
I have
please.
a question, Pooja. No,
Please.
anybody in the group who has read this book or try to use the book can share the practical experience. You know, the what situation he faced and how this book helped him resolve that situation. If provided somebody has used it, I'm not sure. I've not used it.
Yeah, hi, this is Alok Nigam, and I was one of the first to get this book. See, as Mr. Grover said, it's a book about self-improvement. Every time you read the book, every time you write your thoughts on the workbook. First of all, yeah, it's not a book, it's a workbook. Every time you write your thoughts on every chapter or on every issue, you always get to think about what next, how can I improve my. Yeah. So it's a self-improvement book, and every chapter you go through, you write your thoughts, you write your experiences, you write your anecdotes and instances. You will be forced, as Mr. Grover said, to the art of thinking positive, art of positive affirmations. That is the beauty of this book, and I have used this book not only for myself but for some of my team members. I have known Mr. Grover. So it's all about positive reinforcement on all of how do you motivate yourself and how do you motivate others. Suppose you start writing your experiences of how have you motivated the people, then you realize perhaps no, that is something which is just a statement that you are making. You start thinking, you start recollecting the instances, you start recollecting some of your own experiences. Then you start writing in that workbook, no, this is how I did it. Perhaps I did it better in some other, yeah. So it's all about positive reinforcement on all the aspects, whether it is motivation, whether it's communication, whether it is, inspiring others. There are so many chapters where this will come while you start writing about your own experiences and start refining your own experiences.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I hope that answers your question, Batra sir.
Yeah, I am Dr. Amitabh Gupta. I would like to say
Welcome.
something. Yeah.
Please.
Good evening, sir. This is a nice opportunity to hear from you. In fact, in 2003, you are the first person who had interviewed me when I was interviewing for JBM, in fact.
Wow.
So I also got the opportunity to buy this book, and I bought this book, Take Charge of Your Life, in this. And I find it in a very, I had read many books, and I'm habit of reading books also in this. So in this book, first of all, there is a 52 weeks plan in this. And in this 52-week plan, each week is starting with a very small sort of a capsule in this, and a very positive, instead of reading so many granthas and pothis and this, and a small, and it is easy to digest. And after reading it, it is the best part is the space is there to how to correlate with your personal and present activities, and then keeping this in the mind, how do you plan your future for this? So this is a very good book. I would and in fact, not only me, I had read it, I had given it to my daughter also. She is also using this book in this. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Sir,
Thank you so much for that, Dr. Amitabh Gupta.
Sir,
I would
just
like
to
to
add
add
on to
something.
Yeah, please. Chancellor,
This
please.
is Suneja. Hello, Haji. This is Suneja, and I'm first of all seeing Grover Saab after a long gap, as somebody else said. 2005, 2006 was my association with him while at JBM.
Wow.
And though I'm not very well today, I'm under COVID and getting treated in a, of course, positive shape today. And happy to be seeing such a beautiful work and learning about a lot about things. And of course, without saying so, he's been the person always positive and remain positive and will keep us also positive. That's all I have to say. Thank you, Grover sir. Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Thank you, Suneja ji, and wish you a speedy recovery. Get well soon.
Yeah, surely. I'm sure it will be through within 2-3 days further. I'll be better off. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Get well soon, sir. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhuyesh. Thank you.
And thank you.
Right.
I'd just like to add on one small sentence. I think gentleman mentioned that he had given to his daughter also. In fact, I am also in the same category. I have gifted this book to a nephew of mine who was at a crossroad. He was thinking whether to continue with this job, whether to go abroad. So once he just started about 3 weeks back, but he says the first page is start giving him at least exploring himself what he can do. So it's just a very initial feedback, but since he has just taken about 2 weeks on that, but what prompted him to at least look at himself. So this is one of the feedback I got from him, and I just wanted to share on this platform.
Wonderful. Yes, Mr. Lahiri wants to say something. Yes, sir, please.
I'm Satadal Lahiri.
Yeah.
I'm also a great follower of Mr. Grover. Of course, we are in the same platform in the authorpreneur stage. So every now and then, every week, we have some seminars or some, you can call it a get-together sort of thing, where we discuss about our journey of authorship and all that. I'll give you a hack for using this book. Write whatever you want to write in pencil. First week, from today, first week, whatever, week 1, you write it in pencil. Go back to it after 6 months. You'll see a change in yourself. I've been doing that. I write whatever the workbook, or whatever the exercise that is there in pencil. Then I rub it off. I take a photograph and I rub it off. Then I use it after 6 weeks. Again, the first week. So there's a change. There's a shift in the wordings that I use, in the way I conduct myself, because I've changed. That positivity has already come inside me. So this is the hack I wanted to share with the group.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for sharing that. And I'm amazed, Grover sir, aapke itne followers and such wonderful things coming in. And I'm sure this revised version will have even better reviews and feedback coming in. So thank you so much, everyone who's joined us, for these lovely compliments. Grover sir, again, many congratulations and best wishes. Any last words from you before we wrap up the session?
Thank you so much, and thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, everyone. Again, just repeat that, remain positive. And actually, we have already had a big challenge last year, which of course, it is not yet over, it continues. So if we remain positive, then of course, there's a solution to every problem.
Right. Thank you so much.
Remain positive. Remain negative to remain positive.
So there is a small suggestion from my side, if you can accommodate that.
Please, Swati.
Yeah. So, sir, your next endeavor that you say that you will be writing a book on management jargons. So, just my suggestion that can you also add some industry-wise jargons? It will help a lot to assessors who take behavioral event interviews, and also to the coaches, because it will be related to the industry, and sometimes you have to Google and find these terms. So can it become a ready reckoner for people who are into these interviews or coaching? It will really help them.
It is not industry specific, but yes, it includes that comes from basically management and HR.
Okay.
So not very. I would say I'm into deep psychology, the kind of thing, not into biology kind of thing, but management, and I think that would serve that purpose.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you. It was good, Mr. Grover. We enjoyed it.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Grover.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you. So
thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. See you.
So can I take the liberty of closing the meeting now?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.